release your upper back pain in seconds. What you'll do is assume a lying down position on a bench, and then around the fulcrum spot where you have discomfort, that's where you're gonna put your back, and you're going to assume a hip bridge position. Put your hands behind your head, then you're gonna drop your butt down and look up towards the ceiling. Once you do, pull your elbows in front of your nose, lift your hips up, and pull up onto your head. What that will do is you'll feel a nice release and a nice manipulation of your upper back. If you found this helpful, feel free to save this and follow me for more tips.